Gideon versus Wainwright, 1963, by Justin, Nathan, Stephen, and Landon. In a Florida state court in 1961, Clarence Earl Gideon was charged in a Florida state for breaking and entering. They said he broke into a pool hall with the intent of committing a misdemeanor. These were all offenses that under the Florida law were constituted a felony. Gideon couldn't afford a lawyer. He asked for the court to appoint him one. The court said any ordinary person could do an adequate job defending himself in the courtroom and refused Gideon a lawyer. They stated that only a court-appointed lawyer was required if the case was special or the defendant had mental or physical disabilities. None of these exceptions fit Gideon's case. Gideon then conducted his own defense and was convicted guilty and put in jail. He filed a handwritten petition with the Supreme Court of Florida. He sought an overturn of his earlier conviction. He based it on the point that the court refused him a lawyer. They denied him his rights that were guaranteed by the Constitution. Gideon studied the law while in prison. He used books that were available to him. He made a petition for a writ of certiorari to the U.S. Supreme Court. He was requesting for the Supreme Court to hear his appeal. The court got to decide whether or not to accept. Abe Fortas and Hugo Black were two of the justices on Gideon's case. The court ruled that the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment required the 6th Amendment, which guarantees indigent defendants the right of counsel. Gideon was then retried with one of the best court-appointed lawyers representing him and was found not guilty.
Yay!